need help with any of the spraying or anything. I'm probably a bit late for that, but oh well. See when we get there. But hopefully the car's going good. I just put 30 bucks, or 30 litres of fuel in the car, and it's now still got 3/4 of a tank, so that's another 50 kilos I didn't need. Oh well. We won't be running a 13. I think. It's alright. It's alright. I know it's capable. I just need to figure out how much fuel I've got, and that'll make all the difference. Alright. Well, I'll get to the intro, and we'll see you when we go down through our first run. First round of practice. I don't know, probably 7:30 at night. Just started rolling everyone through, so here we go. First time doing this in anger in, I don't know, nearly 6 months, I reckon. So I might have hurt my back in September, October somewhere. I think I've raced since I hurt my back, whenever that was. So it's been a while. Yeah, the first 2 rounds this year got called off due to weather. So this weekend is just absolutely beautiful. So, and forecast for tomorrow is just beautiful too. Glad the winds died off, because I reckon it would have been blowing 30 km/h headwind earlier today, and that would have knocked me back to like 80 mile/h pass with how much wind base I've got with this car. But anyway, we'll get up there in a minute. We'll warm these tyres up. I've got a brand new GoPro, but I left my magnetic holder for it at home, so I can't mount it to anything because I don't have a mount for it yet. My other GoPro, it doesn't want to stick to anything, so yeah, we're running on the 2 recording devices this week, sadly, but that's the way life goes. Alright, bring up when we're doing a burnout. So, the car that was in the left lane decided he wanted to be in the right lane, so we're just trying to swap through. So, now we're in the other lane. Now, after our little, I haven't really done a proper burnout since, so I'll just go second gear. Doesn't look like the timing board's working, so that's awesome. No idea what happened there. Let's see if we can make it down the other end. Well, that's where I'm stopping too. So, got second gear died, and I'm like, oh no, what's going on? It chugged and it stopped, and I rolled 2/3 of the way down the track, and I'm on the side. As it's on, no one's coming. I don't know what they're doing. It sounded like someone was doing a burnout, ready to come down the track, and I eventually figured the fuel pump, the wire had come out of the plug. So I just pulled them apart, joined the positive and the fuel pump wire up, got some fuel in it enough that it filled the bowls, and I got around out of on the return road, and then I wired it up a bit better so I could drive back. So we've got to plug a new fitting from guy down a couple of cars, wired it back up, let's have another go. So we're getting staging for the, back in line for the second round of practice. So I've just unplugged the power steering pump because I went to start the car and she's getting pretty doughy on the battery, so I think she's drawing a fair chunk of amps out of it. 100 amp alternator's not keeping up. So yeah, it's got this couple of bikes and a junior in front of us in the dragster, and back for a second ago, and hopefully we can get a full run this time. That last one was a bit dismal, a lot dismal. Helps when you have fuel, helps a lot. Anyways, alright, so see you in the burnout box. Okay, so the line lock's not working very well. I'm like, what's going on with these brakes? And I think what I've done is I've put this non-return valve in backwards here, because when you put your foot on the brake, and you got suction here, but you've also got suction here, and that shouldn't be like that. So I'm going to flip this around the other way and see if it stops it. Righto, so terrible for line. So what we've done is I've just plugged the vacuum off the intake manifold and just run the pump straight to the vacuum booster. The little NRV was not working. It wasn't doing non-return things. It was just letting airflow both ways. So I had no vacuum basically on the brakes. So all of it was down to a 2437 is 64th. Normally that's like a 19 something, or I think I've got a 18 once or something. So if I get that back, we should be back down to a much quicker number here. But still got 92 mile an hour, so that's not too bad. Alright, let's go have another run. So we've gone through, tried to fix these brakes, and I think my line lock's dead. I think that's my issue. Because I've got brakes. They feel good, but the line lock does absolutely nothing. So we'll go back and I'll do a couple of tests on the line lock and see if it's actually failed. Check to make sure see if the relay's flipping or something. I don't know. We'll go have a look shortly. Alright, eh? 100 amp, 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 100 around it. Alright, see you when we got daylight. Something for this line lock issue. Look at this, found another one. Turns out I'm not crimping my wires real well in a few spots. So I'll just strip this a bit further and I'll just put it straight underneath the screw and I'll re-terminate that when we get home. But for tonight I can make it work again, so that's a big thing. Alright, let me get that done. Righto, up for, I don't know, whatever this is, fourth go, yeah. First one I didn't go anywhere, second one, the other two I haven't had any luck on the line lock. Turns out my line lock's not working. I got to figure out some power issues in my relay. I've got nothing getting there, so I might have to duck home and get a multimeter so I can test it, see if I'm getting power when I press the button, and go from there. Way better with that thing working now. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna hot lap it and go back again. Alright, let's go do this. Run for the night. It's 5 minutes till they close the lanes for the evening. Yeah, I think that last one might have been alright. I just hot lapped it, so I didn't have a chance to look at the time slip. I don't know. We'll see shortly, I guess.
Ray Hobbs again in the 2003 BMW.
Pretty good. Pretty damn good. More than happy with that.
17 times the 190. BMW got their first 13.25 at 115. The big Troopy 14.26 at 91 miles per hour.
Righto, so back after that run. Both those runs felt pretty good. Launching off the handbrake, got to remember how to do that, get back into the rhythm of that. We'll have a look at the line lock in the morning, but I don't hold my breath on getting that fixed. As for time slips, first run we did the 14.213. Trying to get out of the shadow. 14.213. And we started off 218 on the tree with a 1950 or 1989 60 foot. 8th mile was 9021 at 76. and then a 14.213 at 92.89. Now here's this for repeatability. Second run, 194 on the tree, 1980 flat. One before was 1989. Then we go down to the 8th mile, which was a 9038. Second one was a 9021. So 76.29 versus 76.39. And then we did the 213. Oh, sorry, this one. What are we doing? Yeah, the 14263 at 91.8. So I was like a mile an hour slower and 0.4 of a 0.5 of a 05 of a second slower. So we've got 3 quality runs in the morning before racing starts. If I can't get the line lock sorted, handbrake launch as it is, and we'll check the plugs in the morning as well before we go any further, see if we need to do anything fueling wise. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.